Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Hey, just got this Saker kitchen torch. They sent it to me, check it out, and tell you what I thought. And it made some noise and it has the fans going in the kitchen there, so I wanted to voice over this instead of using the original audio. Caramelizing some onions here on the skillet, just tweaking them up a little bit. They're already cooked, and we're gonna do them up just a little bit better. So now this thing does go off occasionally, and I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong or not. I can't find anything in troubleshooting about it, um, but I like the way it looks, And this is a patty melt. I'm gonna take on a patty melt, a burger on a dry bun or a rye bun with onions and some pepper jack cheese. So I wanted to melt that cheese on there, give it a little bit of crispiness, a little bit of texture to it, and it come out real nice. I like it a lot. I like this torch. I'm going to use it for a lot of different things, and you will too when you get yours. So go ahead and take a closer look if you need to, but I say just go ahead and get it. Thanks. Bye now.